Welcome to Lifestyle and Creation, and I myself is pretty much excited to show you the car. And today let's go to the car and explore the car and have a pretty fun time. So guys, this is the all new 2021 Ford AC EcoSport, and here we are in front of the car. First of all, let me tell you something about Ford. As you know, Ford is mainly known for their safety. Whenever we are deciding for a Ford, whenever we are sitting inside a Ford car, we are know that we are safe with all safety models and all safe cars. And moreover, if you are talking regarding EcoSport has been launched in India in 2013. Ford, as you can know and as you see, they are the inventor, they are the creator, and we are the pathsower as well as the pathfinder. So let's talk about the all new features and changes that we have brought in along with the 2021 AC variant of EcoSport. Again, the bold looks along with the total muscular craze lines. Here you can see the front grills with a chrome finish and a Ford badge. AC variant is giving you a HID headlamps, fog lamps, along with all the muscular craze lines as well as the same bold and muscular side muscles or side lines, you can say. There are 16-inch alloy wheels is again there in the car with 200 mm of ground clearance and 550 mm of water wading capability. So let's come to the rear side of the car. That's the big surprise. As we are all familiar with the EcoSport along with the spare wheel, but here in this EcoSport you are not able to see any sorts of spare wheels. So we have introduced a car. Ford has introduced a car with only 4 wheels. Here we can see the puncture repairing kits, and here are the tools for the repairing, and it's a very easy one. So guys, here we are inside the AC variant, EcoSport AC variant. As you can see, the interior we are coming along with the beige as well as the black dual tone color. The AC model is coming along with tilt and telescopic steering. As you can see, power tilt and telescopic steering, up and down, to and fro, right? You can set it as per your convenience. Again, you can see the steering mounted audio control is there, cruise control along with SLD is there, voice control is there, voice recognition is there. See, please, you can speak a command over here, you can make phone calls.
I didn't understand that.
You
can say AM
without
FM,
using your hand.
USB.
You can,
If
this
the
is
phone
also a
connected,
safety feature. You
call,
can
followed by
use
the name
it.
of the contact for it.
AC variant is coming along with auto AC or climate control AC, we can say. Again, there is Apple CarPlay as well as Android Auto. Next, you can see the touchscreen music system, 8-inch touchscreen music system. Audio control is over here. It's a touchscreen music system. Audio control is over here. From the settings, we can change the ambient lighting also as per our mood. We can change it to 7 different colors as per our mood. You can see the electronic sunroof also. We are coming up with the electronic sunroof in the AC variant. See, you can enjoy the sun as well as the moon from here, and it's fun to ride a car along with the sunroof, as you guys all know it. It also comes with safety feature of rear parking camera as well as rear parking sensor. Here you can see. Let's come to the rear seat. Here we are having a 60-40 foldable seats. Here you can see the armrest as well as along with the cup holders. We can enjoy our drinks as well as beverages over here. The door is having a capacity of bottle holder. It can hold bottles over here, and the rear seat is also having a 12-volt power point. The charger is over there. We are giving you a 352 liter boot space, which is perfect for a long trip or a long holiday. You can see it's enough store. You can store your luggage over here and you can set up for a trip. There is also smart opening and closing of the doors. See the key in my hand. I am having the key in my hand, and give it a touch, just a touch, and it's enough to open the car. Have a look at the engine also. Let's check under the bonnet. If you are lifting the bonnet, you can feel the heaviness as well as the build quality of the car. If you look down, you can see the ground. The engine is situated in a tray with 4 hydraulic mounts. It's in a hanging position. This is the safety features. In any case of major to major front collision, the engine steps down. It never comes inside the compartment. Here you can see the coolant. We are having a warranty of 1 lakh kilometers. You can call it a lifetime of the car. Ford has battery of its own, which is also covered under warranty. You can get the total service of battery as well as everything under one roof. Let's check out the engine specification. The AC variant is giving you 1.5 liter petrol as well as 1.5 liter BS6 engine. The petrol engine is giving you a power of 123 PS and 150 Nm of torque, whereas the diesel engine is giving you a power of 100 PS and 205 Nm of torque. Again, you can see why EcoSport, we are calling EcoSport a performer. So the AC variant is coming along with all the safety features of 6 airbags, ABS along with ABD, traction control system, electronic stability control, hill launch assist. All these safety features are included in this AC variant. Now we are into our smart drive, and as you can see and feel, the suspension is a gas-based suspension used by Ford. Into the potholes and bumper, you can't even feel the jerk. So it's a very comfortable and a safe ride throughout. Regarding the windshield, you can focus on the windshield. It's a very large and comfortable one. Visibility is far better than any other cars. We are providing a service of 10,000 km or 1 year, whichever occurs earlier. So once in a year, you require to get one service for Ford car. It's a very hassle-free as well as a maintenance-free car, and it's quite pocket-friendly also. So guys, hopefully you have got all the proper and useful information from us, and please subscribe to our channel Lifestyle and Creation, as we always focus and introduce those cars which are always value for money. So thank you and have a wonderful and nice day.